Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to change up the cart icon in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, here is our quote-unquote modern shop, and you can see over here we have our header and we have our cart here. And you can see there's the button here and the pop-up over here, the cart itself, and the actual icon. So how do we change this up and customize it to our own liking? Let's head over here to our top toolbar and click on Customize. Okay, so we're here on our customizer, and you can see we have our preview here and we have our options. We can either click on these three dots over here or on main row, but the best and most reliable way to get into customizing the button icon itself is to click on Header, and you can see we have elements here, account button, cart. And cart is grayed out here. You can see by the dotted lines because it's over here. And a quick pro tip is you can drag and drop this to any of the blue points over here. I'll put it up top over here just so it's easier to see. But I'll just put it back where it came from. That's just a quick tip. We can either click on cart here or again click on it over here, and you can see main meat of this video is how to change the icon. So icon source, we have two options here, default and custom. The default icons, we have the shopping bags, briefcase, the shopping cart over here. You can see it changes over there. But I'll go with this type 6 one, the shopping basket. Alternatively, we can use a custom icon. Okay, we can click on change icon, and we can either choose from our library of icons, right? Or we can upload our own SVG icon if we wanted to have a special one. But for this video, I'll just use type 6 here, just to keep things simple. And then next we have icon size, so I can make it bigger, right? And I think it should be bigger just so it's easier for our users to see. And furthermore, we can also change how big the icon is on desktop and on mobile. So for mobile, I think this big is good, 42 pixels, and then 36 pixels is okay on desktop because we can we have more maneuverability with our cursor. But on mobile, we kind of want to make it, we might want to make it easier to hit with our thumbs. Okay. Next, we have our icon badge, and the icon badge is this little nub over here, which gives us our cart total. I'll just keep that enabled because it's cool. And then next, we have label visibility. So we can enable or disable the label here, depending on whether or not we're on desktop, tablet, or mobile. And the label isn't really just for price. As you'll see here on their label text, we'll skip over this for a hot minute. We can customize what it says right there. And we can position this left, right, or bottom. That looks good. And for mobile, I might want to put it on the left or the right, okay? And then for mobile, I might want to remove the total and just have the price right there. And that's the extent for our icon customization. This is for cart drawer, so that's out of the scope of this video. Last but not least, let's go ahead and change the fonts and the colors. So cart total font, let's go back to desktop real quick. Since it's a sans serif font, let's change it to a serif font, and we can change the font size, and if it's bold or italics, let's make it italics. All right, and we can also change the font color depending on whether it's on desktop, tablet, or mobile, because we might have a different background color or have it transparent or what. And let's change our cart total color to just black, and when you hover over it, it turns red. The icon color, let's make it dark green, and then when you hover over it, it's going to turn red. For the sticky state, we might want to have a different color, so let's have it be blue. If it's there, see? It might catch the attention of your users or buyers that the color changes, right? And then when you hover, it should just be the same, right? And then for the badge color, let's make it magenta or something, just pink. All right, yeah, but that's like close to magenta, I guess. Just so it's a bit different. And then we can also add a margin over here. And you can see it moves it over, and you can select this on desktop, tablet, or mobile. I'll just put 0 here on mobile because it's where we want it to be, right? And that is customizing the design of our shopping cart icon. So once we're happy with that, let's click on Publish to save the changes. Okay, so here is our old, our site before reloading it. We have our cart icon here, and it changes color, but it's not that cool. Let's hit reload, and you can see that our cart icon is totally different, and we've also configured some of the colors and the label as well. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.